Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris with Digital Realm. Welcome back. In this course, we're going to show you how to embed your YouTube Live into your website. So embedding your YouTube Live into your Wix, for example. So we're going to be embedding YouTube Live into Wix. Basically showing you how to take this code, this line of code that we have, and then take your channel ID and insert your channel ID into this code and then embed that into your site where bam, you will have your live stream showing on your website. So we're just going to hop right to it. Alright, so this is our website with Wix right now. We're working on Wix. We have this link that's currently our Twitch live stream, but we're gonna insert a YouTube live stream here just for example purposes, just in case you wanna do YouTube live on your website. So we're gonna show you how to do that real quick. Real quick, right? So what you wanna do is go over here to add, boom. After you hit add, go down to embed. Embed widget. Hit embed widget. Go ahead and size that up to what you want it to be. Try to eyeball a 1920 by 1080 frame dimension, like so. And then what you want to do is go ahead and hit enter code. Go ahead and make sure you're under code. And what we're going to enter is, let me grab the code really quickly. What we're going to enter is this code right here. Boom. So you want to enter this code iframe width, change the width from 560 to 100%. And that's essentially going to fill up whatever you define in as your box. It's not going to use the pixels because it was going off of pixels. You don't want to do that. You want to do it at 100%. So do it at 100% because again, it changes between multiple devices. So trust me on this. Do it at 100%. Right? The other thing we want to change is your channel ID right here. This one in all caps. We want to change that to your particular channel ID. And how do you get your channel ID, you might be asking? If you go to this URL, I will actually enter it into the code. But if you go to this URL here, go to that URL, that's www.youtube.com/account-advanced. I'm not going to enter it onto my URL because I don't know the security, how the security works when you're showing your user ID or your channel ID, and I don't want my page to be hacked, so I will not be sharing that with you. But you can enter your enter your page ID like that. So with that being said, I'm just gonna slide this editor off to the left just a little bit, just so I can enter my ID, my little ID, channel ID. I'm gonna slide it off just a little bit, right? I'm gonna have to slide it off a lot of bit, really. So bear with me. And I'm gonna hit update. Right? So that's all I did was enter my ID, enter my channel ID, and hit update. So I replaced that text with my actual channel ID and hit update. And boom, you'll see that now your YouTube live is showing. Now you might be like, that's not showing, it's just showing a thumbnail, if you want to call it, a thumbnail of what it would be showing. Well, make sure you hit publish for one. Go ahead and save this to your website. Make sure you hit publish and you publish it, save it, in other words. And then go to your website. Whatever your website is called, go to your website. Boom. You get to your website. Ours is Dream TV, so make sure you check out Dream TV while you're at it. But you go to Dream TV, and you can see we entered the YouTube one right here. We're showing live, and we're showing live. You can see the button is red. It's live right now. So that's essentially how you would do that. Boom. And up at the top is our Twitch live. So it's probably gonna blow my system up soon. So I'm gonna just at least change tabs on that for a second. All right. So we're gonna hop back out of this scene. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's basically taking your YouTube live and embedded it into your website. Very valuable information to have, very valuable for any content developer out there to drive people to your site. So if you have a business, this is definitely a valuable thing to have. And hopefully you found it valuable. To all my mentees out there, all the people that are part of our community, thank you for being a part of the community. Thank you for watching our videos. If this video was valuable to you, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Make sure you share this. Do what you have to do to get this out and more known from the people. Of course, my dog wants to scratch her collar behind me, but hey, that's how production works sometimes when you're live. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Peace. Later, y'all. Bye.